Hey guys, welcome back. So this video today is kind of a quick tip, and it's about Ryobi generators. If you have one of these things and it will not start, it's really not that uncommon of a problem. But I want to show you how easy of a fix it may be. Let me show you really quick what mine does. Maybe this is what yours does too. It's choked, but it won't start. I generally don't like things that are made out of plastic, and it's because they break. This thing, the generator's nice, but the little the knob here that keeps the door shut, something in there broke. Of course, it's plastic. So what I found is I can spray starter fluid in it and it will start. It's never sat for an extended period of time with gas in it, so the carburetor shouldn't be gummed up. So on the back side here, I'm moving the switch to choke it. And you can see when you do that, the linkage here moves like you would expect it to. So the choke does move as expected, but what I notice is I don't think it closes all the way. Let me hold it with my hand and I'll try and start it. So as you can see, when I held the choke with my hand, it started right up. Let me show you a little closer. Right now, I have the knob turned to stop. When I adjust it, we'll take it to choke. So when I take it to choke, this is what's moving here. So what's happening is when I put it in choke, it doesn't choke it all the way. We need to adjust this linkage here so that it pulls this butterfly for the choke all the way. So I actually don't have a wrench to fit that. It's kind of small. It's like 6mm maybe. So I've just tightened it up a little bit. Now I'm going to tighten this screw to clamp down on the steel cable. So now when I turn the knob and put it to choke, it pulls it all the way closed. Thanks for watching.